Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find developer options. If you cannot find this option in your device, then simply check our tutorial of how to enable developer options and go back to this video. So let me enter the developer options, and here all we have to find is the demo mode option, which should be right under auto update system. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got two different options. Firstly, we can enable the demo mode, so actually just turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see right now it is active and actually nothing happened, nothing changed. In order to show the demo mode, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see you can even see the difference on the status bar. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want, actually hide the demo mode whenever you want, just by tapping on the switcher again, and as you can see and the status bar simply changes, and you can turn it off totally just by tapping on the very first switcher. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.